we're going to start. So good morning. So we're going to start with the USD CAD this morning. So the USD CAD yesterday, I think it's a good analysis we have done. You can see the price went really near to the place and went to the direction. So it's a good trade yesterday for USD CAD, and it's when basically the direction that we predicted yesterday. So it's a good trade. So whoever made some money on that, happy for you. Okay, this will be the, but now the, I told you, isn't it? Like Wednesday onwards, you know, there'll be a changes of a trend line and all that. Okay, first 2 days, and Wednesday will become a trend line. Today a super Thursday. Okay, so today I think the price by looking at the formation of the chart and the candles and everything, so we can take that the price is started moving below this EMA moving average. So by taking that, I think that is going to create further downside. So that best selling position will be this area. Okay, this will be the best entry for sell. So the price, there's a price tendency to reject up, then further down. Okay, this will be the prediction for today. So bear in mind, today there'll be quite a volume. A lot of news been stored later on. Okay, for us to find the entry. Okay. Okay, for us to find the entry, we will follow the strategy that we are using on later after 4 o'clock. So that this will be the prediction, the analysis for next 24 hours for USD CAD. Okay, so that means the best selling position will be at 1.26234. Okay, above that particular price will be the most the best selling, the good selling position. Okay, for Great Britain, Japan, okay, there's, I think it's another good trade as well, but the price really never rejected to the area, but it came bit, then it went up. Now see the price is started, you know, making attempt to break this particular EMA, you know, that going to be the dynamic resistance. So once this EMA is broken up, okay, the price will make a further up. Okay, so now I can say is still on a buying position. The best buying position will be this area. We just mark at this area. We try to follow the trend so that it's make everybody easier to identifying. That will be that is not your entry level, but that will be your marking, you know, the price tendency. You know, if you want to just foot mark, just go the tip of this line. You know, you saw the tip of here, so that can be your entry. That means it's not much changes, you know, from there to here there's no much difference. So that can be below that particular price will be a good entry. Below that particular price will be a very good entry for you to find an entry for this buying position so that you don't get stuck. Okay, so that will be our the best buying position for today. Okay, so the best buying position for today. So that will be the best buying position for today, where the anything below the price below 150,682 will be a good position for us to enter. So the price, there'll be a price rejection. Let's say that might be a price rejection, or it might go up. Let's see how the market going to react, because we're not finding an entry now. Okay, we are just analyzing and marking our chart how how the market going to flow for next 24 hours. So that is the most, according to the technical analysis. So that will be the lookout outlook for the next 24 hours, how the Great Britain, Japan going to react. Okay. So as I told you, Super Thursday, there's a lot I already posted in the group, the news that we are going to expect today. And there's some very important news. Basically, there's a lot of volume when come to Euro because there's an interest rate decision news around 7:30 this afternoon. So which can trigger Euro dollar currency. So just beware on that as well. Okay. Yeah. And Great Britain, Japan, Great Britain, okay, Great Britain, USD, okay. So this, as I said, there's a chances where I thought the price the price might reject from that particular area, but price went to the area, but not rejected, then came all the way down. So even yesterday, when I did a marking, there's a chances of price. This will be your best buying position. And there's chances for the price. If the price goes to this level, there'll be a best buying position and so on. So if the price go here, the best selling position. So if you all entry on buy yesterday, you made a profit or what? Because this is the zone, the support line. Okay. So both directions. So now the price is making a U-turn, of going further up. Maybe we'll go and make an attempt to break this particular EME today. So the best selling position for this particular pair will be now, as I told you, the is trying to change the direction. So the selling position will be this area, you can see. So this can become a very good selling position for this particular pair, buying position. So, and because the price might attempt to the EMA 200, okay. So that will be the best buying position by looking at this, creating a strong support here, broken up, then try to break. So this can become a resistance here, being support. So you can create another good support here for the market to bounce from this particular area. So that is the outlook for Great Britain USD for today. Great Britain USD, that will be the outlook. Okay, so this how the price will bounce back later on. Okay, there's a chances. Okay, so I know that going to happen. This is the outlook for Great Britain USD, how the market going to react later on based on our technical analysis. Okay, bear in mind of the news as well. Okay, USD Swiss. Okay, USD Swiss. As I told you yesterday, so when we have been analyzing yesterday, the market went down. You know, we expected the price. Actually, so the price is started going on a range now. You saw that or not? So the price will go up and make a making a bearish momentum. So trying to create a bearish momentum now. So yesterday I didn't tell that our analysis is wrong. So it's went to the direction earlier, but it never bounced, but it's still in that particular area. Okay. So there's a chances today the price going to make a U-turn of the price of going further down, or might go for range market. You know, it might go for range market today. So by looking at the technical analysis for next 24 hours, so we expected for USD Swiss to make a bearish momentum. So bearish momentum, so that will be our selling position for USD Swiss. So the USD Swiss, the selling will be this. Okay, this will be our this will be our selling position for this will be our selling position for USD Swiss. Okay, this will be the next outlook for next 24 hours. So let's see how the market going to react later on. Okay, and today I want to discuss more on how that we're going to find the entry later on, so that we need to fine tune. We need to start fine tune. Okay, hopefully by this Saturday I will come up with the steps that you need to follow, like cheat sheet, you know, something like a sheet. I mean the checklist that you need to follow. So using the checklist, so we can pinpoint where will be our entry and all that. So hopefully I can finish that by this Saturday, so that we can have a training on this Saturday to brainstorm ourselves and how that we can go forward. Okay. So that is the USD Swiss. Okay. Okay, another guys, you know, when y'all following my thing, I want y'all to be serious and say not. I want y'all to make an effort of entering. Okay, I just don't want people just come on my classes, because I putting lot of effort here to train you guys. So I want y'all to train, you know. So I want y'all make. I see a lot of people are not making any effort. Okay, if not, a lot of people are not making any effort. Okay, if you all not many effort, that, you know, I cannot help it. Okay, so that's why I said I need your support. If I'm giving all this for your goodwill. Okay, so that's why I said a lot of people not doing, you know, I want some kind of response from your guys. Okay, and I'm not getting anything. Okay, I don't know whether you're doing any trades or what. Okay, but I want y'all, if you're really serious, want to make up in this line, okay, I want y'all to make some kind of effort. You know, if you don't put any effort and say not, you will never go anywhere. And say no, you will be just daydreaming. You never achieve anything. Okay, so they said, he said, no point I teach all these things, but y'all not putting any effort. Okay, if you're not putting any effort, that means you can just out of my thing. That's why I said, you know, I'm very, very serious now. You know, I'm just getting, you know, I taking my effort from my free time now. I doing all kind I do, you know, I'm not expecting anything. What I'm expect, I just want y'all to put the effort. Okay, put effort, be serious. Understand not? Be serious in what you're doing. Okay, if you're not taking any serious thing, then I cannot really help it. Okay, I really cannot help it. Okay, so this is the Euro USD. So Euro USD, according to our prediction yesterday, the market went to the direction. Okay, then it came down. Okay, it came down to the now it's making an attempt of making, maybe it's still on a bullish momentum now. Now it's already changed the bullish momentum. So yesterday I can say our prediction for Euro USD is I can say a great one. Okay, so market rejected to this level and made an attempt here, then make a bounce, make a U-turn. Okay, so that is the prediction for the next. So the next 24 hours, now the direction is being changed. Okay, so this is going to be your buying position. This is going to be your buying position. Okay, this is going to your buying position. Okay, so this is going your buying position. So for this Euro USD, okay, so this is the yeah, for the Euro USD, this will be the buying. position, okay, buying position on Euro USD. So I want, so this will be the next outlook for Euro USD, where the best buying position will be below 1.1768. So this will be the best buying position. So we look for the buying position later on, see how the market going to react. Okay, once the UK market clicks in. Okay, for Australia USD, okay, Australia USD, I can say there's another great prediction that we had done yesterday. Okay, you saw the market is making a U-turn now. Okay, so there's a tendency of a bullish momentum today. Okay, there's a bullish momentum. The price will make a U-turn and make a bullish. Okay, so now we need to look for the buying position. The buying position for this particular pair will be around this area. Just taking on the super trend. Okay, so this will be our okay. Okay, this is will be your the buying position for this particular pair. Okay, this will be your buying position for this particular pair. Okay, so anything the price below 0.73236 is a best buying position for this particular pair. Okay, this will be our so look out for next 24 hours on Australia USD. For Australia USD, and you can look the price is just around this price. Go to attempt for this say, let's see how the market, it might go up to this EMA before you making another attempt of a bearish momentum. We see how the market going to react for next 24 hours. So USD Japan. So USD Japan, okay, the price is no much movement. I can say there's no much movement on USD Japan yesterday. So now the USD Japan is trying to make a bullish momentum. The price try to make a bullish momentum because the price is started lingering above the EMA. So let's see how the market going to react. So I don't see, for past few days, the price are just between this range. You notice that the price is just between this particular range. So it's not creating much momentum yet, okay? So we just look for the buying position. The buying position will be around this area for USD Japan, okay? Because the price is above this EMA. So price is above this particular EMA. So this will be the best buying position. So this will be the best buying position for this particular pair. Okay, so let's see how the market going to react later on. So we see how the market going to react later on. So once the US when the Great Britain, UK market and the US market open. Okay, so that will be our forecast for next 24 hours. Okay, so there's any okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so all okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Got it or not?
Yes, got it.
Okay, good. Okay, so I think who are they now? Okay, okay. Now let me go back on. Let me go back on the VIP signal that given. So that is our important topic. So this, I think by now you all know how to look for the how to analyze in the morning. Then you can mark your chart. We got about 28 pairs. Okay, I can give you the list of the pairs and everything on this coming Saturday's training. Okay, then I give you a way that we need. They said I want, because I'm going to go be serious. I want some kind of commitment from you guys. And then it doesn't mean I'm providing for these things for free, no fees, anything. I don't want people to take for granted. Okay. I want people really serious, what they're trying to learn and everything. People are taking granted because they're not going to waste anything. That's why people pay 10,000, 20,000, they'll be more serious. That's why I think a lot of people are charging that kind of money and all that, because people will never put a serious effort when it's a free thing. And so now they'll find excuse, they don't want to attend the session. They got, so that's nobody can blame or nobody can find excuse on my session, because I'm recording every session and putting it on my YouTube channel. So nobody can say that you're going to miss or miss my lesson and all that. There's no excuse. Understand not? So I putting all the effort. I just want to some kind of commitment, post something, so tell me personally, how that you're going through, what is the result that you got. I need that kind, I just talking to the wall now every day. Understand not? So it goes on like this, I need to make drastic changes and everything. So that's why I said, so you're getting all this for free, I'm not getting, so you make use of it, try to have some kind of commitment to learn. If you really want to serious, if you're just coming out of fun, then this is not the place. Okay, don't look for the fun, look for seriousness, that it's going to change your life, down the road. Okay, I say no point, no excuse. Okay, and there's no excuse that my message is not been delivered to you guys. And I know a lot of people are busy, cannot attend, I don't mind, but make some effort, view my videos, try to get the things, where is the lacking, try to come up a system for you and all that. Okay, let me go. So I don't want to waste time on that, because I know a lot of people, I'm going to talk to them personally. Okay, if they're not serious, then I said, then it's no point, there's no point to stick into my group. Okay, so Swiss Japan. Okay, so Swiss Japan, so S3. Okay, let's say on the 15 minutes someone given this this idea. Okay, so somebody if somebody cannot hear me, if somebody cannot hear me, that means it's nothing, my part is all okay. Everybody can hear me or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if someone cannot hear, that means the problem is on their side. Okay, it's on their side, it's not on my side. So if none of y'all can hear me, that's the problem will be my side. If some people hearing and some people are not hearing me, that means they need to find some kind of setting on their Zoom there. Okay, so make sure that they find out and sort it out, because I can't help it from my end here. Okay, and when we see a Swiss Japan, okay, when you see a Swiss Japan, okay, someone given this trade. Okay, first of all, what we need to look is that we go on the 15 minute. Okay, before that, okay, on the 15 minutes. So on the 15 minute, okay, so you got a good entry. The price is above EMA, isn't it? Hello?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
the
sir.
price is above the EMA. The price is above the EMA. Okay, the price is above the EMA. Okay, then, and he given a position to entry at 119399. So it's a great entry. I can say it's a great entry. So triggered. Okay, the price went up. Okay, if you want to compare, we want to go to compare. That's it. This particular trade idea is given at 5:45. Okay, if you want to confirm the entry, you can go to on the 5 minute. Okay, on the 5 minute. Okay, at that particular point, what that is given us, the price is above EMA. Okay, but what the super trend is given us, sell, isn't it? super trend is giving a sell. So normally I said follow the super trend that given on the 15-minute chart. So on the 15-minute chart buy, so we need to go, because on the 15-minute chart will give you a better indications. Furthermore, the price is above the EMA. So when the price is above the EMA and the 15-minute giving a buy, so we got a 2 confirmation. And when we come to the on a 5-minute chart, even though the super trend gives us on a sell, so we got 1 minus. Then, but the EMA above the 15 on the 5-minute, it's giving another buy. So we got a 3 confirmation, 1 minus. So 1 non-confirmation and 1 3 confirmation. We got 3 more better. So the entry for buy will be a good. That means out of 4, now you got 3. So it can be a good entry. So what happened? The market triggered. Okay, the market went the direction of the analysis. Okay, good. So whoever given this is a good thing. So got it or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we go to the Great Britain, Canada. So Great Britain, Canada, somebody is given this trend. Okay, where I already marked earlier on. Okay, so that I don't waste time of finding the entry and all that. Okay, somebody has given about 5:45. I guess the timing is 5:45. Okay, the price for if you want to sell on Great Britain at this particular price. Okay, good. First confirmation below the EMA 200. Great. Okay, and we got a super trend sell. We got a super trend sell. Second confirmation, great. So now we go to the 5-minute chart. Okay, what the 5-minute chart is telling me now. Okay, I go to 5-minute chart. Okay, 5-minute chart, the EMA below 200. I got third confirmation. Okay, the super trend giving me sell. I got fourth confirmation. So now I got 4 confirmation to tell that this trade is a great trade. Okay, so now we make an entry. So to make an entry, we just find. So in a 5-minute, the entry, I can say entry is somewhere here. Okay, so there's no somewhere here. I always try to take the higher. So if I go to 15, first I go to find an entry based on 15 minutes. After you got all that, try to find an entry based on 15 minutes. Okay, you find an entry based on 15 minutes. Okay, leave it. Okay, so once that 15-minute entry trigger, then it's good. Okay, after 1 hour, you see the price of that 15-minute is never triggered. Okay, then you go back and reassess the entry again. Reassess the entry again. Okay, later I'll come back again. Okay. Okay, I want you all to jot down whatever I'm telling you, or later on repeat this video and tell, and this is how that you need to fine tune your entry. Okay, fine tune entry and be serious. I want everybody want to trade. You know, I want them to trade and practice. It's no point I just talking to the everybody, but nobody are taking the action. You know, nobody on a serious. If you want to change your life, your change of living standard and all that, you need to be serious. You need to be serious and go for it. Okay, I don't want only few people are giving me the suggestion. You know, okay, it's not a free ride. I'm spending my time. I spending my valuable time here. And so no, I don't want people just get a free ride and just go on like that. Okay, I want that commitment. I want that seriousness. Okay, so no point just coming here. Okay, so this is a very good entry. So whoever given this is a great, you know, it's a great entry. You saw that or not? You know how effective the thing is going on. And say no. So how effective? You just follow the rules. You need to follow the rules. Carry on. Okay. So you see the Canada, Japan. Okay, Canada, Japan. There's another entry. Another person had given at 5:30. It's another person has given this at 5:30. Okay, so the entry is given at 8:06. Okay, for buy. Okay, Canada, Japan, he's given here good entry 15 minutes. Okay, good. He given a mark here. Okay, based on 15 minute, the mark is somewhere here. Okay, that will be the entry level. So what he given is that he went to 15 minute, around 5 minutes. Okay, let's say in the 5 minute. So what she just went to the 5 minute and find the entry. So it's not 5 minutes. It's a great. It's found the entry because if you look here, look at the confirmation. The price is above the EMA super trend, 2 confirmation. On the 5 minute, okay, you got a 2 confirmation as well. Okay, you got a 2 confirmation here. You got a buy. Okay, you got a buy. I mean, the price is above EMA, 3rd confirmation, and the super trend showing you to buy. So you got a 4 confirmation again here. You got another 4 confirmation. It's a good trade. Okay, so now you look for the entry to enter. Okay, done, finish. Then you're going on the direction that you are you wanted to go. Okay, so you saw that or not? How easy. If you know how to enter, that means I'm not asking you to enter the trade blindly and say now get all this confirmation. Okay, this is the easiest method, you know, just easier. Don't give up, you know, don't try to, you know, retreat. You know, all the effort that you are put in, you know, strive yourself, go forward, you know, and say no. So already got worried, you know, if you what you say is not end of the world. The worst situation going to we're going to end our days on the world. That's the worst situation going to happen to us. But nobody worried about that. Okay, whatever we lose, we're going to earn. And so now we still got the energy to go forward. Okay, so you want to change your life, you want to think a millionaire's mindset, you need to change a millionaire's mindset. Don't be a coward in doing things. Okay, Australia, New Zealand. So Australia, New Zealand. Okay, Australia, New Zealand, you can see. Okay, there's another person given this particular trade. Let's say I go to 15 minute. Okay, on the 15 minute, he given a trade. Okay, on the 15 minute, he given a trade here. Okay, he given a trade as not mistaken at here, I guess. That's the position, isn't it? He given. Okay, he given that. But based on the 15 minute, the point is here. I think he went he went on based on the 5 minute. Okay, he went on the 5 minute. Okay, you got all the confirmation there, sell, then it goes here. You got below EMA, then you have a below thing. Then here you put the trigger. So that's the trigger. They say that is the trigger. But what happened? Even the trigger never works. So now you got 4 confirmation right. You given is a great thing. But what happened? The price never triggered. What I said after 1 hour. I don't know if you all still remember or not. After 1 hour, reassess again. So that's why I mark at 1 hour after that, I reassess again. So I reassess again in 5 minute chart. Okay, see, so now since they never triggered, price is here in 15 minutes, you confirm on 15 minutes. After 1 hour, how the price is still on a sell. Okay, so still on sell, still on below EMA. Okay, on a 5 minute. Okay, on a 5 minute. Okay, now my sell position, now I need to modify my sell position. So my sell position is somewhere here. You saw that based on that particular 5 minute. So after 1 hour, 5:15, 6:15, now you identify the trade again. So what happened? Oh, this is my entry to a sell. So I sell here and made a profit. You sell here and make a profit. Okay, make a profit, done. Okay. It's a great entry. That's a great entry for you to make a profit. Okay, so you already done. So you saw that or not? So this is not a rocket science. You need to follow the rules. Answer not. I don't know why people not putting the effort and making. That's why I'm getting annoyed. Answer no, not putting the effort, okay, and they just want to give up. I don't know why they want to give up. Okay, so that's why I said put your effort. You know, you need to put effort. If you don't put effort, you will never go anywhere. Okay, so you saw this one. There's another trade, Australia, Canada. A person given here, okay, for sell on this particular trade, EMA below EMA and below super trend. Okay, below EMA and below super trend. Okay, market need to be. I need to sell on this market. So when you want to sell on this market, this is the price that I need to sell. Okay, this is the price that I need to sell. If this is the price that you need to sell, okay, then we need then we find a position. Okay, then he already given a position. I think he given a position somewhere here, if I'm not mistaken, 0.92 805. Let me check if that's the correct one or not. Anybody can tell me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so that's the position that he gave. Okay, let me check. So now below EMA, first confirmation. Below super trend, yeah, second confirmation, done. Then we go to 5 minutes. So we go to 5 minutes. So we go to 5 minutes. What the 5-minute chart telling me? Okay, below EMA. Okay, yes, good. So everything suited. So he given a price based on the 5-minute. So that is my trigger point. Okay, and if we go to 15 minutes, okay, 15 minutes, what your trigger point? Your trigger point is here. Okay, okay. So this is the way that we look. Okay. So the way looking forward, by looking at this, the way looking forward, there's two things that you can do. Okay, later we'll brainstorm and come up a standard how that we need to go. So you saw that with a simple strategy that you're following, you can pinpoint. You can now pinpoint where to entry. Understand or not? And you know, so for you to get all this knowledge and all these things, you know how much you need to spend. Understand or not? Just be serious, learn everything. Is a golden thing. Understand? It's a gold mine for you. It's a gold mine for you. Understand? If you're really serious, gold mine for you, then you can, you know, you see how your life can change. You can become a super trader. Understand? Not? I'm doing this because, you know, I'm sincere. I'm really sincere on this. Understand not? People are doing that for charging. They're not really sincere, I can tell you, because they just want your money and finish. They're not sincere. They only got, you know, they only can train you 1 time, 2 times. I'm very, very sincere in doing things. Understand not? So when I'm doing things very, very sincere, I just need some kind of effort, some kind of seriousness from you guys. Nothing else I wanted from you guys. So you saw that or not? Okay. Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand, you see Euro New Zealand, okay. Above Euro New Zealand, the person has given, I think, given a buy position, buy or sell position. What is given here? Buy or sell position? Okay, buy position 179. Okay, let me mark Euro New Zealand buy. Okay, let me put a mark here. The buy position at 179. Okay, buy position at this position. Okay, so what happened now? Okay, now he follow exactly, no problem. Okay, he put a buy here, and the price at here, okay, is above the EMA and above the moving average. Okay, now we go back to 5 minutes. Okay, when you go to 5 minutes, okay, now where is the, now the price is where? Here's net. Okay, the price is below EMA, okay, and below super trend. All got that or not? Hello? Hello, guys.
Yes.
Okay, so you saw that or not? So now we got 3
Yes,
non-confirmation. We got 3 non-confirmation against 1. You got me what I'm trying to tell you? Yeah. Okay, you see here in a reference mix of confirmation according to you, but now my internet is getting slower. Okay, no, all can hear me, huh? Okay, you see.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you see here. Okay, on 15-minute chart, I want you to get clearly see why I need to find a confirmation here and why this trade is not a good trade. Okay. And that is the point here. Okay. Okay. Here we got first confirmation. We got second confirmation. Okay. This is the buy. We got two confirmation that the person said, I need to enter buy. Good. Okay. You got two confirmation. Okay. Now you go back to 5 minutes now. So in in a 5 minute, it's giving you a different impression, isn't it? It's giving you another two confirmation, like even now. In a 15-minute, ask you to buy, but in 5 minutes is more to sell. So you have this kind of thing, try to avoid this particular trade. Okay. You see now you got two by two. That means it's even. Okay. It's even. Okay. So when you see this kind of thing, what you need to do is that after 1 hour, don't enter the trade when you got two even things. That means two is not good. That means you need at least 3 confirmation against 1. So now if you got 4, it's a great. Now it's 2. That means no. When you say 2 is no. Okay, when you say no, okay, now we mark the chart for next after 1 hour. Okay, we go back, see the candlestick after 1 hour. Okay, this how that we pinpoint. After 1 hour, we go. That means after 1 hour means at 5:15. Okay, when you go 5:15 back on this pair, so now the pair is telling you sell. Okay, asking me to sell, but when you look at the EMA, it's a borderline. Okay, it's 50-50. Okay, it's 50-50. So you got one confirmation, sell, then you got 50-50 on the EMA. Now you go to 5-minute chart now. Okay, so now we go 5-minute chart now. Okay, now 5 minutes. Now the price is below sell. We got second confirmation. We got a super trend sell, or we got third confirmation. Great. So this will be the my instead of looking for buy now, I need to look for sell on this particular pair. And so that's why you fine tune your entry. Don't blindly enter. Okay, don't blindly enter. Okay, now you fine tune. So now I know already. So my entry. So now based on 5 minutes, my entry will be here. Based on 5 minutes, my entry will be here to sell. Okay. Then after that, after 1 hour, the price never triggered. Okay, the price never triggered. So you try to go after 1 hour about 8:15. 8:15 you go. Okay. Okay, 8:15 you go. Okay, now my sell will become here. Then he said, price never triggered, because the moment the price has started moving, is creating another sell position. So your sell will started moving. That means, as I told you, you need to trail. You need to trail your entry level according to the momentum. Okay. If you the thing is still going, it's not catching your thing, then you forget it. You know. That means you saw how that you need to trail, how to confirm is a very good trade or not good trade. Okay. Okay, now there's another 2 more trade, which is I now okay, there's another 2 trade. Okay, Great Britain USD. Okay, let me see the Great Britain USD the trade has given. I just want to, and whoever given this trade is great. Is great. I want this so that we can learn. And that's why I want, we got 28 pairs there. I want everybody take effort, you know, everybody take effort, make an entry, make some profit. I want y'all to post, okay, post the entry, you know, then tell me, you know, that say I enter, you know, this is the dollars I get. I want, tell me if you're not posting anything and say not, I want to remove you. Okay, if you're not putting any effort, showing any effort, I just want to remove you from the VIP group. I'm telling you, I'm giving you another 1 more week or 2 more weeks. If you don't want to improve, you don't want to take this challenge, answer not. I know, just there, and so not putting any effort or showing me some kind of result, and so not. Then I going to slowly, better I have a key people that working along with me instead of I just talking to 100 and 200 people there, and so but people are not putting an effort there. Okay, I just want a serious people because I have a great goal ahead. I want a serious people to be with me so that I can go internationally. And then I just looking. So no point I teaching the people that who are not committed towards me, and say not. And I better stick to the people who are really, really committed. If you're looking at big, you want to stick with me, then I just need that kind of A team, okay, to be with me. Okay, I'm very serious. I'm really serious. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I'm very, very serious. Okay. So Great Britain USD. So Great Britain USD, this particular person given me a trade idea at 6:15. Okay, 6:15. Okay, 6:15 before 6:15. Okay, I want another thing that I need to polish your thing. I want the idea to be given after the time frame. The time frame is very, very important. The time frame is very, very important. Okay, let the candle stick on the 15-minute chart complete. Okay, if the 15-minute chart candle didn't complete, okay, then wait for the completion. So like yesterday, this particular candle is not completed. You saw that or not? Okay, at 4:15, this candle is giving still on bearish because only the 6:30. I go to 15 minutes. Okay, I go to 15 minutes. Yes, I go to 15 minutes. Let me go to 15 minutes. The internet is slow. Okay. Okay, you see the 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. So you saw that or not? When this particular person as a given is on a much more here. Okay, when the red candle is here, you saw the red candle. So according to here is red candle, that is at 4 o'clock candle. As I told you, the candle form, I want the candle on the from 4 to 4:15, the candle to be formed. Okay, complete. And what that's a particular signal going. This called fine tune. Okay, fine tune. Okay, so the candle is so before the candle form, the idea is been given. You saw that now how important is the timing. Okay, the candle is at this particular point. According to it, yes, it's given a sell. So you said sell is good, but we made profit as well. Even though sell, we made a profit as well because the price at this particular position sell, it went down. He made at least 100. Okay, even the person who was given this trade also, he made a profit. Okay, he put like whoever put 100 pips, 100 units of TP, they already triggered. They put a sell here, they already made. So it's a good trade. But what I'm trying to tell, we try to polish, we try to fine tune, the better entry now. Okay, this is your buy position. Okay, so now you see here, we got a 2 confirmation here. Here you got 2 confirmation. Very good. That's why I said this person follow exactly what he meant to do. Okay, buy. We got a sell. We got a sell here, 2 confirmation. So let's say we go to 5 minutes. That's why I say I need to fine tune. Okay, we fine tune to make it better. Okay, let's see we get better and so on. So gradually we'll see. Okay, on that particular, so that the price is, I can say the price is around below the admin. They got 2 confirmation. I can say it's an even. I can say it's a more to even because the price is basically around the EMA. Okay, price at BI EMA. But the first thing is that what the mistake that this particular person done, he not a mistake, but means given, never wait for the candlestick to be completed. Okay, that is the important thing. Okay, important thing that we need to fine tune the entry. Make sure the on the 15-minute candle to be completed at 6:15. That means 4:15. After 4:15, you try to find the entry. Okay, so even though we made a profit, okay, let us be fine tuned now. Okay, let us we wait for the candle to complete. We see our entry, and then we check, see our method, our way of going forward works or not. Okay, now at 6:15, this candlestick form. That's why I already mark at 6:15. I make sure this candle form. Okay, now the candle is formed. Okay, now I need to go for buy. Okay, where's my buy entry? So my buy entry is based on this. My buy entry is around here. Okay, this will be my buy entry. Okay, this is going to be my buy entry for this because it's only buy. Okay, this is my buy entry. Okay, now we look for the confirmation. Okay, on the 15-minute, it's telling me sell. It's telling me for me is a below EMA. We didn't get that confirmation, but we got a super trend confirmation. We got one confirmation there. Okay, let us we go for 5 minutes. Okay, on 5 minutes. Okay, over here now we got earlier go 1 against 1. Now we go to 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, you said that or not? The price at 6:20, the price is started going on. Buy, the price is still on a sell because the candlestick is still not formed. If you wait another 5 minutes, you can see a candlestick stop put on a buy now. It's more on a buy. Okay, now the buy entry changes as well. Okay, and the price is lingering here. Okay, so it's still not a good decision to make. You know, still have a not a better confirmation. So what I said, wait for 1 hour. So when you got something like this, that means we are very doubtful. We're not getting a good entry and everything. So now we wait for 1 hour. Okay, after wait for 1 hour, okay, we change this to 15. What time is 5:15? Okay, 5:15. We got a buy here below here. Now we go to 5 minutes now. So now we were fine tuning. We are fine tuning entry. Okay, now the fine tuning entry. Now we got a clearer picture. Now we got a buy. We got a buy. We got 3 confirmation now against now. So that's a good entry. So now where's the buy entry now? So now for me the buy entry will be here. You saw that my buy entries will be here. This will be my best buying position. So what happened? The price come here, bounce here, boom, went on. You saw that or not? Okay, so that's we call fine tuning your entry. That's why I say it's a gold mine for you. Understand not? Okay, don't try to take shortcut. Don't go blindly. Understand not? Don't go blindly. I'm always trying to give you all the best. I want to give you all the best. You're going to be expert after this. Understand not? So I want you all to be serious with me, you know, be committed with me. That's what I'm asking. Okay, so not anything else, you know. So that because I want your cooperation from you as that because I want you all to learn. It's no point because earlier when I started giving a signal, you know, I got a lot of pressure. You know, I know people, you know, as though I'm controlling everybody's security. I don't want to do that, you know. I don't want it. This is your baby. You need to control your thing. It means you need to take the right. Then only you can become a successful person. Okay, that's why I'm giving you all the tips. And so now I can hide this, and I can keep all these tips for myself. And so now I can give this one. I can charge a person 20,000. You want to earn money? Pay me 20,000. I can give you a tip. I can do that also by not doing that. And don't try to, you know, go behind me and do things, you know, and going to disappoint me. You know, you're not serious in what I'm doing. Okay, so that is the thing. So all agree or not? Okay, on this Saturday, I'm going to give you some kind of checklist, you know, for you to follow, how to pinpoint. So I want today, how to, fine tune, fine tune and to get a better, get you the better entry point, so that we don't make a mistake. So this is the thing, this not a gambling. So don't gamble on this particular thing. Don't try to be a gambler. Okay, try to put effort, fine tune, and I'm really appreciate for a few people that really committed and working together. And I know who are the few people. I think you all know. I'm really thankful for giving me all the thing, and these kind of people, they got a great future ahead. Because they are really serious. I want a lot of people. I want everybody to participate. This is going to be a next level. As I told you, I got a lot of plans for you guys. Okay, so that's why I said. So sorry if I'm very harsh today, because I want people. If you're taking me as a guru, you need to follow as a group. Okay, I'm not a jovial. I can be a jovial person. I can be, because I want you to put. I want you all to put on a straight line, and to be serious. Okay, don't take it easy. If I teaching something valuable thing, and say not. So you must be grateful. You must take a challenge that I want to do it. I want to achieve. I want to go. I want to go for my next level. I want to serious. I just don't want to earn $5. Whatever you're earning $5 is a training pace. It's a training pace. So the moment you got confident, you can put more effort. You can trade with $10, with 10 cents. So now instead of earning $5, you can start earning $50, isn't it? So what happened? You started creating an income for you now. Now you're not creating an income for you. It's a training. It's like an orientation. You're going through an orientation, a preschool, like a kindergarten, to learn the thing, to basic how. Then we get a confidence, fine tune. So now you're fine tuned with the small entries, a small lot size and all that. So when you find all the tune, you got a checklist to follow. Oh, this checklist, I don't get this confirmation. And then oh, I avoid this particular trade. Oh, I got all the confirmation. Then I enter the trade. So we fine tune. But don't enter the trade, you need to have a smaller, so that it's controllable. If the trade goes along you, where to out, when to out from the particular trade and all that. Okay, so that is the thing that that I want y'all to go on. Okay, so all good. Hakim, how you find?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Better now.
Okay, great, Hakim. Thank you for all your effort.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, I want thank you for the effort and everything. Okay, so it's a great thing. Now you need to fine tune. Okay, wait for the 4:15 candle to complete forming. Okay, yes. Then after that, fine tune and make sure you have that kind of confirmation. As I told you, you need to have a 4 confirmation. Make sure the 4 confirmation tallies. Okay, if you got 2 against 2, that means you try to avoid that particular, then look for another trade. I see, try to find. That means you have a checklist. This thing, okay, this good, this good, this good. That's why I said I want everybody to commit it, and so that everybody, because 28 pen, one person can't do 28 pairs. And so that's why I said I'm creating that kind of community. I'm creating that kind of seriousness among the people. And so you see, now I got about 100 people following me, and only handful of the people are listening to me. 10 people. You saw that or not? And so all these people are just getting a free ride. And why? That means if they're not interested, out from my group. Because why should I pollute my group with the people are not really serious? So I just want a serious people that taking the effort, taking the effort serious. You want to make, and say not. If you are feeling that my training is not good, then I don't mind, go, because you never paid me anything. Okay, I never collected any, so I'm not obligated to you. Okay, for any reason, I'm not obligated to you. Okay, you can free to leave. Anybody not interested, they're free to leave. If I collected some kind of fees, you are, I can say you are obligated. Okay, I'm obligated to you. So in this situation, okay, that's why I said, if you are really serious, I'm very, trying my best to improve the situation so that everybody can become a better trader. And so on. You can see from the journey, Akim, I think you learn a lot of things, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So your mind
Yes.
is better, getting a better, clearer picture. You know,
Yes.
how to look.
Sure.
So now you look at the chart, you don't get panic. Answer not. You know
Yes.
where I need to find the entry and all that. So that's what that we want to go forward. You know, we learn a lot of things. I need to agree. I don't know whether you agree to me or not. You know, we learn a lot of things in the process. Just imagine next 1 year, you know, what level that you're going to go. You know, Manisha, and another thing is a great follower. Thank you, Manisha, even for your signal, whatever you give in and all that. So don't worry, is it wrong or not? And say now, say whatever that we are given, we're going to discuss here now. So by that, see, because of the mistake that somebody done on that, so that we discuss here and fine tune. Even I'm learning as well. Okay, that because I'm missing out certain thing, then it's okay. Okay, we put. Then on Saturday when I do, I'll come up with a checklist. That means every day people follow this checklist. And then when you're doing, so when the checklist, okay, 2 against 2, no, I avoid this trade. Then I will look after 1 hour. Okay, see the checklist follows or not. Or when the checklist suit 4, okay, I got 3 good, okay, 4 very good, and say no, so I take this trade, and say no. So that
Yes.
when we started following on that, then we can fine tune further. I don't tell that is going to be our ultimate thing, because we need to change accordingly. That's why I say fine tune. We need to fine tune, and say no, to become a full fact, to find a full fact, and that's why we are learning every day. And so now, if I conduct the class once a week, we're not going to catch all this mistake that we are doing. You got me or not? Okay,
Yes.
but during everyday process, we are fine-tuning every day, the daily mistake we are making. And so now, so the daily mistake we are making, from there, we go forward. We try to go forward. We try to go forward. Okay, that's why I said, as I told you, I got introduce you to your friends, you know, to introduce to your friends and all that. I got Facebook, you know, tell your friend, join, good, nothing you need to pay. They just need to open a broker with OctaFX. That's it, they know, and say not. So all this given for free, and a great information is a gold mine for them. On say that for the gold mine, you know, they can, you know, go on for that, you know, just